What's the meaning of brain death? Brain death. Brain death.
Brain death. Brain death. Brain death refers to the irreversible loss of brain function, including the inability to control breathing, maintain body temperature, and other vital functions. Brain death is confirmed through a series of tests, including the absence of brainstem reflexes and responses. The diagnosis of brain death is critical because it indicates that the individual has passed away, even if their heart is still beating with the help of mechanical support. Once brain death is confirmed, the family may choose to withdraw life-sustaining treatments, which can result in the cessation of breathing and heart function.